Now starting in problem 30, we want to find f double prime of 3, where f of x equals 1 over x squared plus 7. I'm going to write this as f of x equals 1 over u, where we have to note u equals the square root of x squared plus 7. That's what u is. And we, of course, can write this as equal to u to the minus 1. I won't use the blue anymore, stick to the black. So the derivative of f is going to be f prime of x equals negative 1 times u, and we reduce the exponent negative 2, times the derivative of u. The chain rule says first we take the derivative just of this expression, then the derivative of u prime. So we now have to go over here and find the derivative of u prime, but derivative of u, which is u prime. So I'm going to rewrite this as u equals, I'm going to use another color here, the square root of v. And v,
this is u prime?
that's plain u.
U,
U is
okay.
the square root of v. I'm rewriting u. V equals x squared plus 7. So use the square root of v. Using only blue, this equals v to the 1/2. Taking the derivative u prime equals 1/2 v to the negative 1/2. Because I put the half in front, and I reduce the exponent by 1/2, then I have to take the derivative of v, which is v prime. Doesn't look like a v. Let's make the v more clearly a v. V prime. So what is v prime? If I go over here, v prime I can see equals 2x. Putting this in here, but using only blue, not purple, I have u prime equals 1/2 times v. What was v? V is x squared plus 7, and then to the negative 1/2 times v prime, which is 2x. Putting the 2x in front, the 2 and the half cancel. I get x times x squared plus 7 to the negative 1/2 power. This is now what u prime is. I'm now going to go back to my black and put this in over on the right. So f prime of x equals negative 1 times u. U was equal to the square root of x squared plus 7 to the negative 2. That's this thing. And u prime was x times x plus 7 to the minus 1/2. I'm going to simplify this a little bit. This is negative 1. I'll just make a negative sign. And we write x goes on top. This goes on the bottom. X squared plus 7. The square root of that squared. And this is also to be x plus 7. It's on the bottom, so it's just on the square root of it. This equals negative x times x squared plus 7 times the square root of x squared plus 7. And that would be a nice answer, a reasonably nice answer, if we want to leave it. I have to take these breaks, I'm sorry.
Sure.